The infamous home screen. I finally found the perfect home screen, and I'm here to show you guys it. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna go through the perfect home screen and how I use it in my everyday life in the hours, no joke, hours I spent creating this, what I think is the perfect home screen. And I will have some of these wallpapers and this Widgy home screen URL, download, whatever you want to call it, linked in my bio below that you can buy, help a creator like me out, and hopefully you can customize it and do your own thing with it. So there's 3 topics I want to cover in this video, and it's the lock screen, the home screen, and focus modes. So the lock screen is the first thing I want to show you, and iOS 16 did it for us. We have the lock screen where we can have widgets in different fonts now. As you can see, I have different lock screens for different modes, different focus modes. And for example, this one is every time I lock it, new image with the different widgets that I like on here. And the always on, you got to keep that in mind when you're doing this, what you want with your always on there. But just some different cities, some different things here. But we'll go back to what my main wallpaper is, and it's this one. This one's going to be available in my coffee and cameras wallpaper pack, link in the description below. But when you go into here, you have so many options. You come into here and you can choose the font you want. I have a video on that linked above, and I'll go back to that one. You can choose what widgets you want. For example, I have my calendar and my activities app showing me my activity for the day. All right. That's the lock screen. We all know it, we've all seen it, we've all gotten used to it at this point. Now, let's get into what I have spent hours and hours, a couple days on, really perfecting, and it's my home screen with my new favorite app, Widgy. This is my home screen. It looks different. It doesn't look like a normal home screen, and that's because I was able to really customize it the way I wanted to customize it. And jumping into this app at first, it's intimidating. It is really intimidating at first, but once you find little pieces of other widgets that other people have built for their home screens, and you take pieces out of other ones, you start to gather a theme and you start to gather a feel of how you want your home screen to look. And that's where I'm at now. The first thing I have on my home screen is the day, Thursday, lowercase. So when we go into this, when I hit Thursday, it goes linked to my calendar. When I hit anything in the weather line, it links automatically to my weather. I have my cellular turned off so I don't get any notifications, but it goes to my weather. And then when I hit the calendar, it goes, of course, to the calendar. Reminders goes to reminders. And then finally, Notion hits the shortcut and goes to Notion. And that's the first page of my homepage. And then the second page, and with this iOS 16 and these widgets, I just scroll over and I have a little bit more information. I have again in numbers the events and tasks I have for the day. I have a shortcut to turning my lights on and off. So right now you'll see it's gonna hit the shortcut, turn the light off. And then you'll hit this one and it'll turn the light on. Next to that I have sunrise, sundown, and that goes to the weather app. And then under that I have, if my phone's charging or not, the battery percentage, what iOS I'm on, and finally I have just some disk space usage information. And this is important for me because I shoot a lot of RAW and I shoot a lot of ProRes, so it's important to know what I'm taking off this phone so I have room for other things. And then I have the watch notification, which takes me to the watch app, and then I have this credit card which takes me to my numbers app and a lot of my finances where I kind of take care of my money. So 2 screens right here, and I'm a 1 screen type of person when it comes to a home screen. I don't want 2 home screens, so I go this way, I have all my apps, and I go this way and I have all of my notifications for my devices, my Apple Watch, my AirPods, whatever it may be, and then under that I have some of my shortcuts. So that's it. That's really it with this. This is my personal home screen page. The app Widgy gets real customizable. As you can see, I have the second page right here, and within here you can do things like location tap, so you can link it to a specific app or whatever. You have different types of logos you can use, And then when you go over here and you go to my homepage one, you have different fonts you can use, you can link things to different things, and you can really customize it the way you want. But if you're interested in a video where I go deep in depth on how I built this home screen, how I put all this together, how these ideas formed, how all of this works, comment below and let me know if you want to see that, and I'll make sure we can get a video like that going in the future so you guys can see kind of how my mind works with these apps. So that's how, in my opinion, I built what I think is the perfect home screen, and I'm really proud of this. It took me 3 full days to get this home screen together, but I'm excited to share with you guys my Coffee and Cameras wallpapers pack, and also these 2 home screen Widgy downloads that you can use for a small little price. So help a creator like me out, download these, play with them. I don't recommend using them exactly how they are. I recommend using them to the way you want to use them and pull little pieces out of them that I've already built and go along that route. So if you're new here, my name's Joseph. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I upload about a video a week, and until the next one, guys.